Hello, my name is Guillermo Cortés. I'm from Colombia and I currently work as a Groom and CFX Supervisor at 3Doubles in Spain. I specialize in creating hair and fur for characters and creators, both for film and video games. Throughout my career, I've contributed to a variety of commercial projects, feature films, and video games, developing grooming solutions for a real production environment. In this workshop, I show you how to achieve a final result like this, step by step. We will start with the character model and use XGen to create a clean guide setup that will allow us to build the groom. From there, we will refine it using modifiers to add breakups, variation, and realism. Then, we will move into Marmoset Toolbag to bake the groom into textures, converting it into a game-ready workflow. These textures will serve as the base for further refinement in Substance Painter, where we will enhance the final look for a realistic real-time result. I will also show you practical tools to efficiently creating hair cards using FiberShop and GS CurveTools. And finally, we will bring everything into Unreal Engine, where we will integrate the character, apply texture, set up lighting and cameras, and present the groom in a professional real-time environment.